is vyavaharika. Vayasika.
Satya mithyatva swapna drushti satya shrutirana.
Satya mithyatva drushti satya shrutirana.
Jagruddesha vishishtvatvad.
Jagruddesha vishishtvatvad.
Ishvarenaiva nirvita.
Ishvarenaiva nirvita.
देशकालाद्यनौचित्यात् बाधितत्वाच्च सामृषा अभावोक्तेर्द्वैतमात्र साम्या जीवानुवादतः
स्वप्न अन्वय स्वप्न सृष्टि सत्या अथवा मिथ्या. स्वप्न सृष्टि सत्या अथवा मिथ्या. श्रुतिरणा सत्या. रेस्ट एज इट इज. राग जागृत देशा विशिष्टत्वादि विशिष्टत्वात् ईश्वरेण एव निर्मिता. सेकंड लाइन. सा वृषा देशकालाद्यनौचित्या च बाधितत्वात् और बाधितत्वाच्च. देशकालाद्यनौचित्या बाधितत्वाच्च अभावोक्तेः द्वैतमात्र साम्य जीवानुवादतः. देयर इज अल्टरनेट रीडिंग ऑफ दैट. मात्र साम्य वन रीडिंग, मात्रा साम्य अदर रीडिंग. What is in your book? Matra. So the other reading is that Matra Samyatva. So we see that. Doubt. Swapna Srishti Satya Athava Mithya. Is the dream creation real, means transactionally real like waking world, or it is appearance false in nature? The Pura Paksha says Shrutirana Satya. So Shruti says it is true, it is real. So it says, how says so, Jagrat Desha Vishishtvatva. What Shruti says, it has got similarity with the waking state creation. Jagrat Deshena Avishishtatva means it is in common with the time, place, etc. pertaining to what? Waking state creation. And again, Ishwarena eva nirmita. Created by who? Ishvara. Saha was told. Actually, Shruti says Saha as who? Jiva. Pura Paksha takes that Saha as Ishvara. You see that when Bhashya comes. So it says, it is in common with waking state creation in terms of desha, kala, etc. Not only that, it is created by who? Just like waking state creation is created by Ishvara, so is dream is created by Ishvara. So therefore is what? It is Satya only. Siddhanta says, Sa Mrisha. Is a Mrisha? Swapna Srishti Mrisha. Swapna Srishti is false in nature. Why? Desha Kala Janauchitya. Desha Kala di Anauchitya. Anauchitya is impropriety, unfitness. Desha Kala. This fellow was swimming in the ocean. Actually, dream is in the Nadi Desha. In the Kantha Nadi, in the nerve. What is the size of the Nadi and what is the ocean? So that is Desha Kala. He slept, he went to New York, attended, stayed there for 1 month and returned, got up at Bombay only. He spent 1 month within few seconds. They say dreams don't last beyond few seconds. That's what they say. There may be from childhood you may be a grandfather. Decades must have rolled, but actually it is few seconds. That is it. Desha kaladi anauchitya, because of impropriety of place, time, adi. Adi means what? This fellow, for a week he could not get the food and he slept, and there no, in a palace, sumptuous dinner. इधर एक आधा वाटी राइस भी नहीं है घर में. So अनौचित्य, impropriety. Again, बाधितत्वाच्च. बाधितत्वाच्च. Obama dreamt in the hotel that India gave $1 crore billion check on waking up. You have to take another way now. Because he came with all expectations. No? So $1 crore billion check after waking up, क्या है? कुछ नहीं है. बाधितत्व gets negated. So that is बाधितत्वाच्च. Again, अभावोक्तेः. Shruti itself says Narathaha, Naratha Yogaha. In the dream, chariots are not. Arjun says he creates. He means what? Jiva creates. Jiva creates the chariot, horses, BMW car, all this he creates. After he says there is nothing called chariot, there is no BMW car, there are no horses, etc. So that's why he says. Abhavoktehe. Abhava of Sapna Srishti is told by very Shruti. Again, says Vaitamatra Samya. Actually, only because waking state creation is duality, dream state creation is duality, only because of that you can't say it is similar. Only similarity is what? Duality. Only because of that you can't say it is same. So that is Dvaita Matra. Again, Dvaita Matra Samya. Only because Dvaita is there, Asamya is there. What is Asamya? Impropriety of Desha, Kala, etc. Waking state creation has got Dvaita. Dream state creation also later. But for that say you can't take similar. Why? Difference is there. What difference? Desha, Kala, etc. are not proper, not fit in the dream creation. That is it. Again, it says Jivanuvadata. Shruti is very clear that dream creation is created by Jiva. Jagrat creation by who? Ishvara. So like I say, it is projection of Jiva. Dream creation is projection of Jiva and not created by who? Ishvara. So therefore, dream creation cannot be Sandhe Srishtihi Ah Hi. Sandhe Anvaya you take Sandhe Srishtihi Hi and Tatha Shrutihi Ah. After one the make a note. This first sutra and second sutra are Purapaksha sutra. First and second sutras are Purapaksha sutra. Take this way. Sandhe Srishtihi and Vyavaharikam eva. After Srishtihi and Vyavaharikam eva. He then add Tatha Shrutihi. Tatha Shrutihi. Ah. Sandhe. Here Sandhya is the dream. How Shruti Bhashya will explain. In the dream, Srishtihi, the creation, means the dream creation is it. Purapaksha says, Vyavaharikam. It is transactional. One that has got transactional reality. It is like making state. How do you say so? Because Tata Shruti. Shruti says that dream world, dream creation is Vyavaharika. Not only that, again second also is Purapaksha. Nirmataram cha eke
निर्मातारं च एके
Putradayah cha. Now take Anvaya like this. He tries to substantiate by quoting Kathopadishad. He says, Kathopadishad justifies that Ishvara creates the dream world, which should necessarily be, because Ishvara has created, and it should be necessarily what? Vyavaharika, Satya Rupa. Eke Nirvataram, after that, and Ishwaram Amananti. Ishwaram Amananti, after Nirmataram to add it. Utradayascha Kama, add that Kamaha iti Utradayascha, add Abhidhiyante. It says Eke here means Kathashakinaha, Kechana Shakinaha, some Shaka, those who belong to some Shaka, namely here those who belong to Katha Shaka, Kathaka Shaka. What they say, Eke Cha Nirmataram. Nirmataram means Utpadakam, creator, producer, whom Ishwaram Amananti. They say Ishvara is the creator of dream world, Amananti. But sir, in that Kathashruti, there is no Jagat there. What is told, Kama is there. Kama means what? Desire. How do you say desire? How do you take that this is the Srishti, the creation is taken to Srishti is created? No, their Kama means desired object, refers to Jagat only. That is what he says. So, how? Because Kamyante iti Kamaha iti Utpatte. Kama can mean a desire, Kama can mean desired object. So, those which are desired are called as what? Desired objects are called as the Kama. By this, Swapna Srishti is of what? Desired thing. Srishti is of desired things only as such. Iti Utpatte Putradayascha. The word Kama used in fifth verse of eighth mantra of Kathopadishad. You see that in the Bhashya refers to what? Putradayascha. And Putradaya is reference to Upadakshana for what? Entire Jagat. Maya matram tu Karsnena Anabhivyakta Swarupatva. Anvaya. Tu Maya matram Karsnena Anabhivyakta Swarupatva. This is Siddhanta Sutra. Now Siddhanta starts. No more the Purapaksha. Siddhanta. This Tu is Purapaksha Nirasartha. To dispel the Purapaksha. What is the Purapaksha? Swapna Srishti is real. So that you dispel that. Say Maya Matram. What is Maya Matram? If you want to Swapna Srishti, add that. After two, add Swapna Srishti, the creation in the dream is what? Maya Matram. Maya Matram means Pratibhasakam. Pratibhasika Matram. It is only subjective, like Shukti Rupya. Like a shell being seen as silver. Then comes Utaha. How come? He says, the answer is given that Karsnena Anabhivyakta Sarupatva. Dream creation is not manifest with requisite place, time and means. Dream creation, anabhivyakta, karsnena means in entirety, totally. Karsnena means in entirety, totally. Anabhivyaktatva. For example, elephant. He saw elephant. He was sleeping in 10 by 10 room of Matunga. with a door 2.5 feet wide. And there he saw one. Can it be accommodated? Not this. Kala, time, means, etc. From where he can bring it can't enter at all. So Desha Kala means because of absence of requisite place, time, means, sadhana, utility, etc. Anabhivyakta Sarupatva. So because that being the case, so again it gets what? Subjected to negation. It gets negated. That being the case, it is not possible. Anabhivyakta Sarupatva. So therefore, that Sapna is Pratibhasika and not Vyavaharika. Right? Therefore it is what? Maya Matra is just only an appearance. So Prabhavan, Shastrena te virodha syat. It will contradict Shastra. Which Shastra? Swapnadhyaya Shastra. Shastra which foretells something based on the dream, they will go wrong. If dream itself is false, it will not be able to indicate something that is real in the Vyavaharika sense. If this is the doubt for which the Sutra 4 is the answer. Suchakascha hi Shutehe Achakshate Cha Tadvidah Anvaya Suchakaha Cha Hi Shutehe Tadvidah Cha Achakshate Tadvidah Cha Achakshate. It is said, in the dream, if a woman is seen, not anyone seeing a woman, a person who is doing a kamya, not anyone, a person who is doing some yadyaga, which is for the purpose of a result, kamya karma. And in the dream, you see, again, he sleeps where somewhere near the Yajna Vedi or something, these things are there. And in the dream, he sees a woman. That means his yaga or karma is going to get fructified. It is going to get fructified. That is that. So this is the Veda itself. This is the Veda itself. So it is from the Veda. Now, if that has to come true, the woman seen should be true or not? How come a false one can give a real indication? How is it there? So therefore, Suchakaha means hetu. A suggestive means he means because, yatha, you have to add that, tatha, shutehe. So, Shruti says, we'll see those Shrutis, etc. afterwards. Shutehe, achakshate, tadvidaha, you can add that Shutehe, tadvidaha is there. Tadvidaha, those who know the Swapnadhyaya Shastra, or those who know the Shrutis, you say, achakshate, tell what? Swapna is suggestive of something that is real. So that is real. Achakshate. So therefore, say achakshate cha means Swapna is suggestive of Shubha and Ashubha. It is true. It is true, but for that purpose only, Swapna need not be real. As we have seen already, illustration of Shukti Rajata. Shukti Rajata, silver seen in the place of shell is false, yet it gives you real joys and sorrows. So that way it is there. So that is now being told. Paraiti Sutra. Parabhidhanatu Tirohitam Tataha Hi Asya Bandha Viparyayo Asya Anvaya Asya add Aishwaryam Tirohitam Tu Tirohitam Asya add Aishwaryam Tirohitam Tu Parabhidhanat Abhivyaktaha Bhavati add Tu Parabhidhanat Abhivyaktaha Bhavati Tataha Bandha Viparyayo add Iti Shruti Darshayati Iti Shruti Darshayati Asya means Jivasya. Aishwaryam. Aishwaryam here is overlordship. The capacity to create by Sankalpa. Like Ishvara. That is Sarvajnana, Sarvashakti. Say that Aishwarya. Says Aishwarya is what? Tirohitam is covered. Avrutam. Obstructed. Though it is there, not available for practical purpose. Tirohitam Avritam. That is Avritam. Tu, whereas Parabhidhyana, Dhyana, Parasya, Ishvarasya, Adhimukhena, Dhyana. Parasya, Ishvarasya means by Sakshatkara, Paramatma, Ishvara. It says, Abhivyaktaha Bhavati. When it discovers oneself to be Parameshwara, that Aishwarya, overlordship, all Sarva Shakti, Sarva Jnana gets revealed, gets manifest. Abhivyaktaha Bhavati. Bhavati. Tataha. Tataha Hi. Tataha means what? Tasmat Ishara. Bandha Viparyayo means on account of that Ishvara only, bondage and liberation. Contrast is like this. When Ishvara Sakshatkara is there, Atma Jnana is there, Brahma Jnana is there, this is what Viparya means ulta. What is that? Moksha. When Ajnana of Ishvara is there, Bandha. So that means Tasmat Ajnatat Ishvara. Tataha means from that unknown Ishvara, what comes out? Bondage. Again, Jnatat Ishvarat Viparya. Viparya means contrary. By when Ishvara is known, moksha. But presently, what is that? Tirohitam. Tell that. Deha Yogadva Saha Api. Saha Api Deha Yogadva Bhavati. So Saha Api. Saha Api means what? Jivaishwarya Tirobhavaha. Jivasya Aishwarya Tirobhava. That means absence of knowledge and overlordship of Ishvara on the part of Jiva. Tirobhava, the absence of that is Api, that also is what? Deha Yoga. Deha Yoga means Dehadau Atma Bhimana Lakshana. because dehadau atmabhimana lakshana, because of identification with the embodiment, etc. Because of notion of I-ness in the embodiment, etc. Mana, deha, mana, buddhi and indriyas, etc. Va is to remove the doubt that Jiva is Ishvara from, Jiva is different from Ishvara. To remove the doubt that Jiva is different from Ishvara.